Welcome to 67 TV, and today we're going to do a real quick unboxing. This is the Nothing Ear, once again, Nothing Ear A headphones. I was in the market for some new headphones. I want to do a lifestyle change, get a little bit more fit. So I figured I'd pick these up. These were $77 on the website, $99 on Amazon. This is not a sponsored unboxing. I paid money out of my own pocket. This is Christmas Eve. I ordered it last Tuesday, so it took about 7 days to get here. I am in the Southeast, and like I said, I didn't package it on. I didn't purchase it off of Amazon. I purchased it straight from Nothing for $77. Amazon has it for $99, and pretty nice packaging. I wasn't going to fork out the $150 for the regular AirPods and the $240 for the AirPod Pros. So I wanted to give these a chance. And for this video, I'm just going to do a unboxing. Can't really do a review because you can't hear what I'm hearing. The next video I might do my impressions of a week of having these. It's packaged nicely. Gives you that AirPod feel. Case is a little different. Those look pretty nice. It doesn't feel cheap. Feel like you would probably get a feeling cheap out of some $77 headphones, but they feel pretty premium. I like the look of them. They have like a translucent look, kind of like a see-through. These are going to probably be perfect for my ear. Once again, it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It feels pretty premium. I'll go ahead and put that back in there. This case does look like it'll probably be kind of, hard to open when you're not glancing at it. Probably going to have to look at it most of the time. Unlike the AirPod case where you just flip it up. So that'll probably be one con right off the bat. But like I said, it does feel pretty premium. This one does not have the wireless charging. The other one does provide the wireless charging where you can just put it on the wireless dock and it'll charge up. Let's see what else is in this box. All right, you got a USB-C to USB-C. So I'm seeing that's a lot more common these days, kind of getting away from those Type A USBs. So you definitely got to have some of those outlets for them, because these days nothing ships with the outlets anymore. And give you some more in-ear buds, small and large. So I'm guessing the ones on them are probably medium. And that's about all out of the case. Get your little indicator. My computer's already trying to pick them up. Yeah, it's pretty snappy. Snaps right in there. You got your little white for the left, red for the right. Yeah, so, and of course you got your user manual. Pretty thick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and test these out for a week. Give you my honest review. I'll leave a link down for Amazon and the Nothing website. That's a crazy name, Nothing Earbuds. That's crazy. But, we're gonna try them out for a week, and I'll let you guys know what I think about them. And thank you for watching this video. It's 67 TV. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos, and I guess I'll see you next time.